Hi y'all. Yes, I just got this mini vacuum today, and it comes with a variety of stuff. Like here, this hoses and all this hose haven't dried yet, but I did connect uh, three attaches hole right here, and um, and then it just had when it come in, it had a battery in there already, so I ran for like 6 minutes. It's ran out, and then and then have to recharge again. And but the thing is like it had three mop in there, and for me it feels very strong enough to suck all the debris on my car. And overall, I think it's very worth it. I wish that I can come with the power adapter, but it's only come with the C charge. I wish also this like the dirt tube right here. It's bigger. That's all. Thank you. Bye.
Fully charged. Junk.